Hi, I'm Rob Potter from Beam Connectivity, and I'd like to take you through the test program which we recently undertook. CVAS is our flagship product, the Connected Vehicle as a Service. It's a technology platform on which we help clients build connected vehicle services. Those use cases might be business-facing, like fleet management or predictive maintenance, or they might be customer-facing mobile apps. We really wanted to demonstrate solid foundations for client projects by proving out our core tenets and getting objective measurements for those, but also maturing our solution from TRL 5 up to 7. For cybersecurity, we worked with Hariba Myra to review the platform, the architecture and the design of it. The objectives here were really to identify any unmitigated issues that may exist, as we want to close the loop as early as possible in the development process. It's really important to define a methodology and perform these activities regularly, as the threat landscape and our solution will change. This review is recognised evidence for the cybersecurity verification in the upcoming SAE regulations, so it puts us in a good position for those. Secondly, high performance. We took two approaches here, looking at the individual components, so doing bottom-up optimization of every single component, but also looking at the top level at the end-to-end system. We ran 6 different use cases, which were indicative of the kinds of user experience that end users would see with a mobile app. At Millbrook, it allowed us to test this with the vehicle moving at a variety of speeds and leveraging their private cellular network. So we could set a variety of network conditions without the unpredictable contention that you get with a kind of consumer mobile network. With this specific test you can see on screen, we got some objective data points back, 304 milliseconds for a round trip of a command to the vehicle. That's against the backdrop that we see of 10 to 30 seconds in some cases for existing OEMs, so that's a significant improvement. The final tenet then is versatility. So through the test program, we integrated with 3 vehicles, each in under a day. Here you can see the street drone at Millbrook. Having this experience helps us rapidly undertake POCs with clients without an expensive overhead of integration. The downstream integration we're testing is with cloud API integration with Convex, so sending data to the Convex data platform and exposing that. So to wrap up, we took our testing from the desk through to the lab and out into the field. We did hit a few challenges. For example, we had to compress our development cycle, which would normally take 9 to 12 months for this kind of product, down into 3 months. And I'm really grateful for the support that we got from our partners, from our suppliers, and of course from the Beam team. The benefits we've seen of being on this program, well, the exposure from the combined PR efforts of Zenzik and i4 have been great, as have the network opportunities through the plug and play community globally. So we've been involved in a number of discussions on a global kind of scale. We've also managed to put objective data to underpin our performance claims. So that really helps with client conversations when we can stand next to some numbers and we have a solid test methodology with which we've proven those. Also, indirectly, this has led to a new customer. So going through the Zenzik Scale-Up program introduced us to a new customer, and we're working on that project as I speak. So we'd really be interested in talking to people who either want to utilize our CVAS solution or test beds that want to standardize the tests, so it's easier to compare solutions between vendors. So if you're an organization with an incumbent system who would like to compare our solution to, or perhaps you're an organization without a connected vehicle solution who want to experience the high performance, the security and the versatility of our solution, then please do get in touch.